Okay, welcome back. This is actually day 2 of the Miata new convertible top. I have the old entire assembly out. The water drainer is out also. And I'm rebuilding that since I didn't purchase a new one. This has been pretty labor intensive, and the only issue, as you can see right there, is the water that failed to drain actually caused that rust. So I have a plan for that, and I'm going to pick up the parts hopefully the next hour or so, actually from a junkyard. The assembly is off the top, and I find it best to reassemble while it's off the vehicle. If you can, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. I work on Volkswagens, Volvos, and of course my Miata and Navigator. Wow, hate to say they're all my vehicles, but the Volkswagen is gone, and well, sticking back to the subject here, I had to, of course, shampoo the back rug portion. I'm cleaning the parts that I just took off, so they're soaking right now, and I have the cleaner on that, so a lot of that dirt should dissipate and I should be able to wipe that down. But that was washed last night, nice and clean. And of course, thanks to Harbor Freight for all my tools and my personal organization skills is keeping my sanity right now. So I'm gonna take a break, take some calls in, and of course there's the new baby right there, tan and beige, or just plain tan. And unfortunately this one only has a plastic window. I vowed to put the glass window back, and I do have that. So this is Charles signing off. Please subscribe, and I will post the ending results. Thank you again, and have a great day.